So if you're interested, that's boiling on the sun, and I thought I would just show you my electrical setup, in the sense that when I last looked at it, everything had been working very harmoniously all day. So welcome to the bloodshed. 4 lithium-ion batteries at 24 volts each in a 48 volt system here, which is currently full and running on an NG hybrid inverter. And on this we've got a generic hybrid inverter which is putting out at the moment a 1.2 kilowatt load to a 240 volt circuit there, where it goes back through the charge AC to this unit, and I've finally sorted out the SBU priority. So to get this setup working, you first of all enter programming mode, and you want it in solar utility battery mode. That's the charge priority, I think, is the best way of looking at it. But the point is, escape that. What the diagram is showing is that I'm charging 240 volts into the batteries and the solar panels into the batteries, and our current loads are being met by the bypass on this unit over here, which has now dropped back. Now I've put the kettle off to 136 watts, and on this side, what's the solar doing at the moment? Let's just have a little look through what the combinations are here, infinite and numerous. But so currently, actually, the batteries are full and the solar is not charging. There are no amps going into this battery, so this is just burning off really 150 watts. I mean, the point was that earlier on, and when I was using the kettle, I was not straining those at all. I was putting all of the load onto that lot. So I've added that capacity to this capacity through the AC circuit on that hybrid inverter, which has been an objective for a long time, but finding that setting and sorting out that particular SUB priority. Let's just reinforce that learning for a minute. In order for this system to feed this system, this being a simulation of the grid imported to a off-grid or home battery storage system, you want to set this up so that setting 1 is solar utility battery, is where you get your source of electric from. So first of all, if the solar panels out there do their job, the load is met. But if I turn the kettle on when I call for 2 kilowatts, if it's a grey afternoon, the electric will come out of this side, which is itself charged on a separate solar circuit. I'm going to add extra amperage on here once I add these 2 batteries coming in the next few days. This is all quite exciting really, if you like this sort of stuff. I'll give you a flash of the solar panels, because I got to start thinking about how we're configuring them again now that we got more kilowatt hours of storage there. And down there, there's 500 cubic meters of water storage and thermal storage potential, and we haven't really started over here yet in terms of production. The priority was to find somewhere to live, to tell you the truth. Okay, well, there you go, that's my story.